Take a look at this channel for a moment. It has millions of views and more than 200,000 subscribers. Yet the surprising part is that it only has 39 videos, and the channel itself is just 3 months old. If you check the views on these uploads, the numbers are impressive. So the big question is, how are videos like these actually created? Have you ever been curious about that? If you're wondering the same thing, don't worry. In the description below, you'll find our free master prompt, carefully designed so you can create videos featuring any animal, any location, or almost any concept you can imagine. Inside this prompt, Part A focuses on concept generation. This means even if you don't have a topic in mind, the prompt will automatically produce video ideas for you. Once the idea is generated, we use that same concept to create all the B-roll scenes for the video. The prompt will also generate video prompts for every scene, so you don't need to build everything manually. All you need to do is copy the prompt from the description and start using it. After that, open ChatGPT. For the concept generation step, copy the first prompt from the prompt file, paste it into ChatGPT, and run it. Once it runs, ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas, usually involving animals going on expeditions in different environments. Some ideas might take place underwater, some in jungles, and others in different types of locations. You can simply choose whichever idea you like the most. If none of them interest you, you can ask ChatGPT to generate 5 more ideas. And if you already have a concept in mind, you can type it directly. For example, you might write something like, "I need underwater animals." ChatGPT will then generate concepts based on whatever theme you specify. You can even add special objects or props that the animal might discover in the video. For instance, similar to the channel we looked at earlier, you could ask ChatGPT to create ideas where an underwater creature discovers things like an old Mercedes, a Tesla truck, or other unusual objects. But for this tutorial, we'll simply use one of the preset ideas generated by ChatGPT. Let's say you find an idea that you like and want to turn it into a video. Go back to the prompt file again and copy prompt number 2 completely. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it there. At the top of that prompt, you'll see a section labeled Insert Title here. Scroll to that part and paste the title you selected, along with the hashtags. After you run the prompt, ChatGPT will generate scene-by-scene B-roll prompts for the entire video. Now we move on to the video creation step. For generating the video clips, we'll use Grok AI, because on this channel, we always demonstrate methods that can be done using free tools. However, if you prefer, you could also create these clips using Google Flow or Google VO. The process is simple. Start by copying the Scene 1 prompt that ChatGPT generated. Then go to Grok AI, click on Imagine, and instead of choosing Image, select Video. Next, choose the aspect ratio. If you're creating short-form videos, select 9:16. If you plan to create longer videos by combining multiple clips, choose 16:9. For this example, I'll select 16:9. Now paste the prompt and click Run. After a short while, your video clip will be generated. If you like the result, you can continue with it. If not, simply click Redo to generate another version. Sometimes AI video tools might slightly shift the subject or change the scene unexpectedly. If that happens, just regenerate the clip again. Even with strong prompts, text-to-video AI isn't always perfect, so occasional retries are normal. In some cases, you may also want to add 1 or 2 extra lines to the prompt to guide the AI more clearly. Once you generate a few versions, choose the clip that looks best to you. And don't worry about generation limits. If your free account runs out of generations, there is another video linked in the description where I explain how you can get unlimited generations for free. Now, to continue building the full video, start by upscaling the clip you selected. After the upscaling finishes, click the Extend Video option. Next, copy the Scene 2 prompt and paste it below. The system will now continue generating the video in extended mode, adding the next part of the scene. With a free account, you typically receive around 15 to 20 generations. When the extended scene finishes generating, upscale the video again. Then click Extend Video once more and paste the Scene 3 prompt. Repeat this same process for all remaining scenes. By following the same steps for each prompt, your complete video will gradually come together. Using this workflow, you can create videos featuring many different animals exploring different places. For example, animals discovering things in jungles, abandoned buildings, temples, or other mysterious environments.